Hi, welcome to our podcast about underwater pollination. Pollination is an important process for reproduction in many plants involving a vector to transport pollen between individuals. In flowering plants, this vector can be either abiotic, such as anemophily, or biotic, such as zoophily,
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
or entomophily.
Buzz.
This fertilizes the female flowers so they can make seeds. But what do you think happens underwater?
Whoosh. Blub, 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 blub. Some flowering plants, known as seagrasses, return to the oceans, where they form extensive meadows. Seagrasses store carbon, stabilize the substrate, improve water quality, and provide food and shelter for other species.
Ah! There's no wind underwater, but hydrophily
Swoosh.
is a similar abiotic vector. It was thought that all seagrasses were only hydrophilous and that there was no biotic vectors involved in their pollination, until a team of scientists found an interesting exception.
It has been found that lots of invertebrates, such as crustaceans and polychaetes, visit the flowers of a certain species of seagrass called Thalassia testudinea. Seawater is denser than air, so they can't usually swim against the flow. However, they are known to be attracted to the flowers when they approach them.
Let's take a closer look.
Zoop!
Scientists set up experiments to determine if the invertebrates were helping pollinate the flowers of this seagrass species. The results showed that the bottom-dwelling marine invertebrates are pollinators, although the seagrass probably still uses both pollination methods. Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Swoosh. Seagrasses have adapted to underwater pollination by having tentacle-shaped female flowers that change the flow of water to increase pollen capture, and male flowers that only release pollen at night and produce a mucus cloud food reward for the invertebrates. This aids in bottom-dwelling marine invertebrate pollination, which they call zoobenthophyly.
This study was significant because it highlighted that what we assume may not always be correct, and it completely changed how we think about pollination underwater. For more information about how marine invertebrates pollinate seagrasses, please refer to this paper.